In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stay anonymous online using NordVPN. Digital privacy matters more than ever, and taking just a few simple steps can make a big difference. Let's walk through how it works. First, what exactly is a VPN? A virtual private network creates a secure private tunnel between you and the internet. And if you're serious about online privacy, NordVPN is one of the best options available. When you connect to NordVPN, your real IP address is hidden. Think of your IP address as your digital home address. It reveals your location, your device, and more. With NordVPN turned on, websites only see the IP address of the VPN server, not yours. Another major benefit is blocking your internet provider and online trackers from monitoring your activity. Normally, your ISP can see and log what you do online, and trackers follow your browsing habits across websites. NordVPN encrypts your internet traffic, which means that kind of tracking simply doesn't work. Public Wi-Fi is another big risk, especially in places like cafes, hotels, or airports. These networks are often unsecured and easy targets for hackers. NordVPN protects your connection, keeping your personal data safe even on public Wi-Fi. Getting started is very simple. Download NordVPN, sign in, turn it on, and choose a server. That's all it takes. The moment you connect, your online activity becomes private and protected. And if you don't have NordVPN yet, my affiliate link in the description gives you a major discount, up to 74% off plus 3 extra months. It's the best deal NordVPN offers. So that's how you stay anonymous online with NordVPN. You can hide your location, block trackers, and stay secure on public Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new level of online privacy.